Hi, my name is Sidharth Shah. I know it's a tough time right now, and because of restrictions, we are all taking precautions. And it's a good thing to take precautions on, and I am completely on with whatever the situation is. But my request to all of you is that use this time to be with yourself, to be with your family members, for whom you have not, maybe because of your work schedule, because of your travel time, you're not able to give time to them. Give time to them. I mean, if you're able to be with nature, give time to be with nature. So I love nature and I'm blessed to be around this beautiful place around here. So look at this over here. I'm just looking this camera this way. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's all very private and own, and you can enjoy nature being over here and be with nature. Invest time in yourself and see how you can take things to the next level. So for me personally, this time of the year, I am actually revamping all my programs, looking at from a different perspective, especially our online programs. So completely new models of online programs which we are looking at because of the time which I am getting right now. So my perspective is that you can use it in two perspectives, two broader perspectives. One is your personal time. This could include your time with your family members, with your kids, with your near and dear ones, and also in your professional life, where you are not caught up in the daily routine, you're not caught up in the to and fro of travel, and you're not getting exhausted by whatever which you're doing because of travel and all that. Use this time to your best advantage, and that's what Think and Grow Rich is all about, that you convert every adversity into opportunity and make the best of it.